National Award and Padma Shri recipient, renowned singer Anuradha Paudwal recently made important remarks about the country's development, education system and the concept of Vishwa Guru during a podcast. Her statements have since become a topic of discussion in political and public circles. Anuradha Paudwal said that if India truly claims to become a global leader, there must also be visible progress in key areas such as education, governance and public welfare. She expressed concern over the closure of a large number of government schools across the country and said that big claims of development cannot become a reality without a strong education system. Referring to the concept of Ram Rajya, she also questioned recent incidents including the alleged theft of donation funds, saying that such incidents make it difficult to claim that the country has the best governance. She clarified that she is not against the idea of Vishwa Guru but said that achieving that goal requires practical steps and strong policies. Her remarks are considered significant because she joined the BJP in the year 2024. Anuradha Paudwal is one of the India's most celebrated playback singer. She has lent her voice to several hit films including Ashiki, Dil Hai Ke Manta Nahi, Sadak, Beta and Hero. Her devotional songs Bhajans have also been immensely popular. She has received the National Film Award, 4 Filmfare Awards and was honored with the Padma Shri in the year 2017. Meanwhile, recent reports have also claimed that the number of government schools in India has declined significantly over the past decades. So viewers, do you agree with Anuradha Paudwal's views on education? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.